Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. I got one running.
On December 14th, 2025, officers from the St. Cloud Police Department in Florida responded to a security alarm activation at Starling Chevrolet on East Erlo Bronson Memorial Highway. Viewer discretion is advised. This video contains graphic content. Officers spotted a suspect inside a black SUV on the lot, 20-year-old Deshae Brian Turner from Orlando. Turner had burglarized a vehicle and stolen a firearm. As officers issued commands, he ran.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. I got one running. Stop, police, stop. He's running towards Wawa. Blue jeans, gray hoodie, dark skin. Jump the fence. Hey, stop! He was inside one of the vehicles. And they should be right here in this area.
The pursuit was short but intense. Turner jumped a fence into a private yard and hid in dense brush near a Wawa gas station. Officers tracked him quickly.
We are behind Wawa. With 1020. Huh? Hey! That's you? Okay. Hey, pull your hands up! Pull your motherfucking hands up! One at gunpoint. Pull your hands up! Don't move your hands! Pull your hands up!
Once located, officers issued repeated urgent commands, shifting to a pleading tone to de-escalate. These commands were given multiple times. Turner did not comply and instead produced the stolen firearm. Officers opened fire in response to the imminent threat.
Bro, put your hands up. I don't want to show you. Put your hands up. I got hands. Put your hands up. I don't want to show you. Shot fire. Let me see your hands. Don't move your hands. Shot fire. Don't move your hands. Don't move. He got a gun right there.
10-4, just hold on.
On 10-4. He's hit. I just need my body for go hands.
We're gonna hold here until you guys run.
We are behind the Wawa. Don't move your hands. Don't move your hands. Don't move your hands. Shot fire. Don't move your hands.
Don't move.
Don't move your hands.
Do not move. Stop moving.
Stop moving your hands.
Stop moving.
Bro, stop moving. Don't move your hands.
Move. Do not move.
Don't move your hands.
Don't move.
Got him. Don't move your hands.
Stop moving. Do not move.
Officers extracted Turner from the bushes and began life-saving measures, including CPR.
I need to start CPR him. Cover me. Cover me.
Got you.
Wait. Step forward, CPR. Yo, flash your light,
Hey, we're back here.
Yo, don't move.
Do not move.
To the man.
Back here. Behind the fence. The white fence. Behind the white fence. We're right here. We're back here.
Where's the other one?
I mean, there's only one. There's only one.
There's only one.
Well, tourniquet, tourniquet.
No.
Just take.
Go, we're gonna try to get him to CPR. Give me light, give me light.
I got you.
Give me light. Call FD, stay secure, FD. Stay secure.
Here, can I get FD?
Stay secure.
Provide them saying secure. We're starting CPR.
Where he got shot.
Oh no, bro, nah.
Make sure we get PPE. Make sure you
Hey, somebody put gloves and relieve me.
No, but he got him.
Oh, somebody relieve me.
What's coming?
put some gloves. Put some gloves.
I ain't got no gloves on me here.
Huh, relieve me.
I got gloves.
You need gloves?
Yeah.
Guys, you need to carry gloves. Right here.
You got it?
Yeah.
Go, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We're behind wall, was insecure for FD. You come down in front of the church, you don't gotta jump the fence in front of the church. Bravo Mike, young, between the 20s.
Hey, I'm right here. What's your description of the outstanding guy?
Bravo Mike, no, there's nobody else.
Oh, he's still.
Yeah,
Just him.
it's just him. I saw him only run him.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. I didn't saw nobody else.
All right, cool.
I didn't get to clear the whole dealership though.
All right, this is the only guy.
Only guy.
Roger.
Try to look for the gun.
Yeah, it's a.
Is it?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. You guys got their... We'll do that later. Screw it. We'll do that later.
CPR, 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 CPR,
Put Mike over.
CPR,
You okay, buddy? Talk to me.
CPR, CPR.
Wait.
This.
No, he's alert. He's alert.
Okay. You okay, buddy? Talk to me.
He's alert.
You're still here. Hey, buddy.
alert.
You're still here, buddy.
He's still breathing? Yeah, he's still breathing. He's alert.
You okay, buddy? Buddy, you okay? You're okay, buddy. You're still here. You're alright. You're alright, buddy.
Bravo, it's my call. Copy ID number.
Make sure everything stay in position. Don't touch. He's alert. He's breathing. He hung a post. Yeah.
Yeah, here.
All right, cool. Seal your wounds.
Yeah, he got one in and out, one shoulder.
All right.
Leave somewhere in the legs. For...
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
hey.
kind of cut a leg.
You got a tourniquet on the
Yeah,
leg?
Yeah, I got
we got
your leg.
All right.
This one right here.
Did you blood smear for other wounds? FD's coming.
Go ahead.
Good shot. Both of us.
Okay. Take care of him first. We'll deal with that later, okay? Are
10-4,
you guys-
he's gonna be our suspect.
Hey, I'm checking you for if you're hit for anything, okay?
Second.
He's breathing. He's breathing again. He's breathing on his own.
He may not be breathing.
Oh, all right, come.
I think we do have a pulse.
Yeah, airway and Lucas.
Yeah, zip four.
You guys mind just providing some light?
What was that?
Providing light?
Les, Mendez with me.
So actually, the gun is right there.
Where's it at?
Behind the bushes right there, there's a gun.
All right. Jones.
Yeah.
I need you to... You are with him. Raj, where he goes, you go.
The leg is goes by the knee. We're going to where? Where are we going? Osceola Regional?
Despite efforts, he was pronounced dead at the hospital. No officers were injured. Both were placed on routine administrative leave pending investigation by the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. Bodycam footage helps the public understand the split-second decisions officers face when a suspect produces a weapon. The suspect, Deshae Brian Turner, had an extensive prior criminal history, including 17 felony arrests and numerous lesser charges. If you found this informative, consider subscribing to Infrared Patrol for more real Bodycam breakdowns.